Hello from welcome to Entry App. My name is Akash Shukla, your educator at Entry App. So guys, a very good news for all those aspirants preparing for NIACL AO 2021 exam and targeting your NIACL AO 2021. You all guys know that ki NIACL has announced NIACL AO 2021 recruitment, and the form filling, you can fill up the form by 21st September. So all those aspirants who didn't apply for this post, so guys, please apply, because 21st September is the last date and only 2 days to go in the last date. And guys, it's a very good job. It's a government job. You will be getting 60 to 64,000 salary if you will be selected as an NIACL AO, and it's a very reputed job. So for all those aspirants who are asking regularly, sir, please tell us what will be the level of the examination, how we can get the previous year paper, and how we can get the study material that includes your test series as well as your video course. So for all those aspirants, I have to say that in this video I'll be giving you a very good news, guys. Yes, NIACL AO 2021 crash course has been launched by the Entry App, guys. So for that purpose, you have to download the Entry App. You can find the link in description field and the pin comment as well. And guys, you can access this course for free of cost. Yes guys, I have to say you can access this course for free of cost, not only the test series but also your video course. So guys, for that purpose you have to scroll, and here under the video classes section you can see ki NIACL AO assistant crash course. So guys, this course is not only for NIACL AO aspirant but also for all those aspirants who are targeting NIACL assistant 2021 examination. So guys, if you will click here, then the interface will appear like this. And guys, here the complete playlist has been formed for simplification approximation. There are 3 videos, there are 9 videos for sitting arrangement, and for puzzle there are 8 videos. So guys, there are topic wise video mentioned here, and day to day all the videos are being uploaded. So what you need to do, you just need to click any of the video and any of the playlist. Basically, for example, here is the NIACL AO assistant simplification approximation playlist, and guys, here all the part will be given, like part 1, part 2, part 3. So guys, this is how you can study from this crash course. And apart from that, guys, if you are at beginner to advanced level, or you are, I have to say, moderate level or advanced level, then guys, you can go here under the exam section, guys. So here exam section is also given after home screen. So you can click on the exam section, and under the exam section, guys, the the interface will appear like this. So guys, here you can see NIACL AO 2021 at this end of the all these test series. Here NIACL AO 2021 given. So guys, you need to click here, and the interface will appear like this, where you will be getting prelims, full length test, quant test, reasoning test, English test, memory based paper, live mock test. So all the tests you will be getting, and this is the collection of 3800 to 4000 plus high quality question, I have to say. Yes guys, for that purpose, to join this course, to avail the opportunity for free of course, you have to download the Entry App. That in description you can find the link, and in the pin comment as well. So guys, go and download the app and start your free of cost preparation right now. Thank you very much, guys.